Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. If you manage multiple companies in QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can use Spreadsheet Sync to quickly consolidate the reports of those companies. We'll go over how to group companies together and then run consolidated financial reports. Select Settings, Spreadsheet Sync. You'll need Excel and the Spreadsheet Sync add-in. Follow these steps if you need to set up Spreadsheet Sync, and check out this other video if you need help. Select Let's Go and open Excel. Then enter your QuickBooks login details and sign in. Select Run Multi-Company Reports. Before you can run combined financial statements, you need to create a group for your companies. Select Add New Group. Note that you can have multiple groups of companies, so name it something you'll recognize later. Also, it's required to subscribe to QuickBooks Online Advanced for one company in your account to access this feature. But you can include companies from any subscription level in a group. Choose the currency you want your combined financial reports to appear in. And then select the Add to Group checkbox for any company you want in the group. Then select Save. Select Done. Then select the group. Select Report. Select the report you want to run for all of the companies in the group. Then select Filters. From here you choose the accounting basis, date range, and also add columns to compare different periods. You can also customize how Excel presents your reports with these options. For instance, you can unselect Show Grid Lines to make a report that doesn't have lines around each cell on the report, or select it to keep the grid lines. Select Back. When you're done, select Run Report. Spreadsheet Sync displays the report for each company in its own column, and combines the company's info in the total column. If multiple companies have an account with the same name, type, and hierarchy, the report combines them. To make combined reports easier to read, make your chart of accounts as identical as you can. If this is a report you'll need to run in the future, save it. Then later you can run it from your company or the cloud, and select Refresh to retrieve the latest info from QuickBooks. Now you're ready to consolidate the data from multiple companies in QuickBooks Online Advanced.